gonna go to the waterfall, which is up ahead. It tasted pretty nice when we marinated it. Here, lunchtime is any time, so you can do whatever you want.
Mainstream school is based on forcing the students to do reading, forcing them to do math and writing. That's why students don't like it. They don't want to do it. It's a myth of mainstream education that you need to go to school for 12 years and study math and English and all that. So if they see reading and writing is important, then they will learn reading and writing. What did you say? We're talking about responsibility like here at the school, which would be, for example, like with knives. And we were looking at the bigger picture, and that's what, for example, in the case of Britain, how the British government has been acting in those Middle Eastern countries.
It just creates more independence as a child, more self-motivation, lets them grow organically at their own pace.